Today we are going to talk about a lesser known Malayalam film called Atom.
About the film. So basically a dialogue about how men think. Like it's very hard to comprehend the plot
It's a
without spoiling
it's a
it.
social commentary on how,
हाँ.
like the men's psyche actually.
हाँ.
Like how men
Act-
are actually.
In certain, when put in certain
Yeah,
situations,
yeah.
throw the blame at someone else, or how they try to get their names off, or when they provide opportunity, they try to run after it and leave every moral thing aside. So all those things.
Yeah, Atom
Means
literally means play. So it's a story of how a
Group of theatre artists, like
So-
all men theatre troupe with only one woman.
yeah,
Because the
is
play
part of
also
the group.
demands only one woman,
Yeah.
which has been done for a lot of years.
They have an after party after the success of their play.
But then
So-
something unfortunate happens in the after party, which is only revealed after
Much
a few
later.
days.
Yeah,
Female actor in the theatre play.
gets sexually assaulted,
हाँ.
and the whole plot is kind of acts like a whodunit,
हाँ.
but then it's actually
Revealing themselves by them talking about who done it.
yeah, it's about commentary on
हाँ.
men, to be honest. That's it. But acts like a whodunit, and we are never revealed.
And
actually.
also it's kind of a chamber drama situated in one place
One
majorly.
place, yeah.
हाँ.
First of all, if you didn't watch the movie, it's a must watch for the times you are living in, and it's a great movie to have a dialogue with your friends or with your like loved ones. Anyone to be honest. And there's no discourse online or anywhere. Like we couldn't find.
If there are
substantial-
very few. हाँ.
Yeah, we couldn't find any
हाँ.
substantial videos like talking about this movie.
The way you see the film is also very interesting because it has a very simple plot line wherein that nothing about the film is boring. Like
It's kind of an edge of a thriller actually. It starts very slowly, set up towards what's gonna happen, takes time, but then the way they take time is very brilliant because every character we get a
glimpse
notion,
into the life of
a
every
certain
character.
notion, a first impression of the
हाँ.
certain character, right? So there's this actor,
Well
no, I
established
mean-
actor, and then he comes back to the theatre scene
Yeah.
after a few years.
So
So because he's a film actor, so he can pull in a lot of crowd.
Yeah.
So that's why he's given the main lead. Even though there have been experienced people in the troupe who has been working for 15 years or so.
yeah, 10 years or more.
And so that's why there's an internal kind of a group within the group itself, wherein some are in favor of the film actor and some are not.
So yeah, so
And we also get the impression, as you were saying, there were notions that we have in our mind.
Yeah.
So we get the impression that this guy must be the person who should have done it.
also the best part about the movie was
It's a great red
everyone's-
herring.
I mean, also every character is like you haven't seen those characters in any movie, and that's a good part because if there were established actors
हाँ.
who are acting or playing those characters, you kind of like
Subconsciously decide कि हाँ, this plays a major part, so he must have done something pivotal to the film.
Yeah, so that was a brilliant casting.
हाँ,
decision.
fresh faces to
Yeah,
assign
they-
emotion to.
yeah.
Every character carries a different baggage because
Yeah.
of which his decision towards the votes changes.
Yeah, every character's morals and ethics are
हाँ.
different, and that's well established in the first 30 minutes. And yeah, that's after the 30-minute point is when the actual movie
Film starts.
Yeah, every passing scene is important and pivotal to the next progressing scene, right?
हाँ.
And that was it's a well written screenplay. Yeah, coming to the characters, we'll discuss about the characters now. The main guy, played by Vinay Fort, the way the character is set up is very brilliant. I mean, it's
Like it's kind of he's leaving every layer of morals with everything that comes up in the story.
and I'm in awe actually. It was so well written. The character is so well written because you kind of root for the character till the end of the third act. Like there's a bus stop sequence, right?
Where there's a huge
yeah,
pause in that.
Yeah, then that's the certain scene where we get the bang, the disillusion we were in. Like he's a good guy. All of it just cuts down in a second. He's the same greedy, selfish guy that the other 8 people are.
हाँ.
That's when, and also
The female lead, yeah.
Zainab, right?
हाँ.
Brilliant, man, brilliant. She aced it. I mean, there are certain sequences where the female character is supposed to feel disgusted by the men, right? Like at the start of the movie, she feels comfortable around the men.
बराबर,
right?
हाँ.
At those 9 people and everyone, even if they're drinking.
वो swimming pool के बाजू में, हाँ.
she feels like they're the safe space.
हाँ.
And when there's a confrontation, right? When she comes to the house, that
हाँ,
guy's
बारिश
house,
में,
and
हाँ.
there's confrontation happening. Like we slowly see the characters devolving. Like character is devolving. Like our safe space, whatever she has felt, it's shrinking. Like from her face, you could see that there's
Losing it.
she's losing it. She wears the chudidar, right? When the confrontation starts, she doesn't wear it. As it progresses, right, the confrontation scene, she like covers her and she takes a purse like thoda aage.
Is it after she asked the old man saying ki you should take my side. Then he says, tomorrow you'll come and say I was the one who did it.
Because
Is
I
it
wore
after-
certain kind of clothes, right? And also the ending is quite. I mean, that didn't sit well with me because the way she lets it out, right? I mean, it's a take on like how creative people let things out, vent things
Ah.
out. That's a good take, but then it didn't sit right with me because, I mean, it felt too on the nose because she tried to suppress it and everything. Like she didn't want to talk about it, right?
Mhm.
She didn't want to mention about it anymore. But then the way, I mean, yeah, she dealt with it. She like came to terms with it, and then she tries to like put it out and vent it out through creative
So
means.
I think the director wanted to evoke a certain feeling, like they should get a taste of the medicine. They should see what they have done
Yeah,
in the
that-
process,
that
and that's why he wanted to put that play way of expressing her emotions, like the cathartic event that she did, like putting it in a play and everything in the end. So that kind of felt like a gimmicky event.
That's what I'm saying.
Ha,
Right?
ha.
Like, it felt too quiet on the
Ha,
nose.
ha,
Like,
ha.
yeah, it's trying to preach because throughout the movie, throughout the tone of the movie, right?
But then I can't
It's-
think of anything better than that too.
It was a good ending. I mean, we are now nitpicking actually. But yeah, there were certain parts where I felt the blocking could have been better because since it's a dialogue heavy film, there could have been certain frames which could have been memorable.
I to disagree with you because I think the blocking has been done pretty well because even in such a
No,
what
there
you
are
say
certain
one
scenes. The first confrontation when the female character enters that guy's home, there's
Uh-huh.
a certain sequence where like everyone's scattered.
Uh-huh,
There's
uh-huh.
no cohesiveness on the screen. I mean, that could have done well, but then yeah, I mean, I'm nitpicking now.
because in the entry where they're sitting at dining table, those shots are done well. When they're standing outside the house, certain people are on both sides
I
and
mean,
everything.
there's no like memorable frames, very nuanced film
Ah,
with very layers.
interesting.
Like there are many layers to like peel
Like
off.
this is the kind of film that makes you think
Yeah,
about
that's the best part, right?
the
Like,
ideologies that have been prevalent in the world right now.
it challenges the intellect of the viewer.
True.
And that's how a movie should be. And it's not trying to blatantly show
Ah.
that men are this, men are men,
Ah.
yes, all men, whatever, whatever. It's not trying to show anything. It's everything it does.
It's not even misogyny's answer.
Yeah, it's subtle.
Ah.
Everything's quite subtle in the movie, and it's written by a man. That's the irony. So yeah, I think do
I
you need
think-
to add more anything?
No, I think we're good.
I mean, we can go on. Like we can go on for 2 hours because it's a beautiful, beautiful film. That's it for like yeah. You all should
Please
watch
go
it.
and watch Atom on Amazon Prime.
And yeah, that's it for this episode.
Mm.
I'm Nikit. This
And
is
I'm
Omkar.
Omkar. And this is Cinematic Rated.